Do you want to create travel documentaries that captures the hearts and minds of your audience? Today, I am going to share with you the top 5 tips to make a great travel documentary right now. The first tip to creating a great travel documentary is to find a unique angle that sets your film apart from the others. Ask yourself, what's different about your destination? What makes it stand out? Let's say you're making a documentary about Japan. Instead of just showing the usual tourist attractions like Tokyo Tower and Mount Fuji, you should focus on the lesser-known rural areas and showcase the beauty of Japan's countryside. The second tip is to tell a story. Don't just show the scenery, but also the people and their culture. Focus on telling a narrative that your audience can relate to and be emotionally invested in. You can create a documentary about food culture in Thailand, but instead of showcasing different dishes, you can also tell the story of a family-owned restaurant and how their recipes have been passed down for generations. The third tip is to use creative cinematography. Don't just show wide shots of landscapes, but also use close-ups, time-lapses, and other creative techniques to enhance the visual appeal of your documentary. Say you're making a documentary about the northern lights in Norway. Instead of just showing the wide shot of a sky, you could also include close-up shots of the shimmering lights, or use a time-lapse to show the lights dancing in the sky. Fourth tip is to incorporate local sounds and music. Using sounds and music that are native to the destination adds authenticity and depth to your documentary. If you're making a documentary about Cuba, you could incorporate a traditional Cuban music like salsa or rumba. You could also include the sounds of the city streets, like the sound of a cigar being rolled or chatter of locals in a cafe. Final tip is to edit. Edit. The editing process is crucial to making a great travel documentary. Make sure to cut out unnecessary footage and keep the pacing and flow of your documentary consistent. If you're making a documentary about a road trip across the Philippines, make sure to trim any footage that doesn't add to the story. Keep the pacing consistent and use transitions to make the journey feel seamless. Remember, find a unique angle, tell a story, use creative cinematography, incorporate local sounds and music, and edit. Speaking of edit, check out these videos right here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that we can all learn, create, and share. Love.